Hey guys, Todd Ault here, lining up the business axioms and knocking them back with a swig of wisdom. Okay, step one, what's an axiom? An axiom is a statement which is widely regarded as being widely accepted or self-evidently true. Step two, if I have to tell you what knocking them back with a swig of something is, you need to get out more or get a life. Okay, moving on now. There's an old axiom that says, we don't know what we don't know. Now that may sound a little defeatist, but it's not. Because in the business world, you can spin this axiom into pure gold. Sara Blakely, founder of SPANX, said, embrace what you don't know. It ensures you'll absolutely be doing things differently than everybody else. That's brilliant. Why? Because embracing what you don't know means you're open to learning new things. It means you're willing to see things others can't or won't. Embracing what you don't know means you're willing to explore possibilities you never knew existed. You're stretching your own boundaries. Hey, how about this? It means you're allowing yourself to think outside the box. So the next time you hear someone say, we don't know what we don't know, that shouldn't be a statement that makes you cautious. It should be a statement that makes you motivated. Because what you don't know may turn into one of those little gems the whole world wants. I've given you gold. Now run with it.